consulting, which primarily focuses on lean training and consulting, along with operational excellence and business excellence training and consulting. We have been operating across the Asia Pacific, Africa, Middle East region for more than 20 years. And recently we have been awarded India's Best Performing Consulting Organization Award. In this video, I am going to talk about the Lean Operational Excellence Model. The whole purpose of Lean is to identify, reduce, and if possible, eliminate the waste across the value chain. When we talk about the value chain, it talks about the suppliers, starting from the suppliers and up to distribution and logistics, that means the end user. In this entire value chain, we need to identify the non-value adding, the mudas, typically the 7 mudas. We can use add values 9 steps to building world-class organizations to know what are the mudas, what are the steps we need to take to identify and reduce the mudas. And the entire model rests on primarily 5 pillars. The first pillar is total flow management, which helps us design the organization, keep the machines in proper place, ensures that information flow and material flow is synchronized well, which can help us in generating a positive cash flow. So total flow management is all about creating expressways for material and information. The second pillar is total productive maintenance, which helps us enable the machines run as per our demand, and they are in a very healthy state, the state in which they were initially purchased, as meaning they can be as good as new even after years of use. So total flow talks about design of the organization flow, and TPM talks about the machines. Now both these pillars need to give us an output which is a quality output. So the third pillar is total quality management, which focuses on zero defects by using various quality tools, either the 7QC tools old or the 7QC tool new, and maybe you can go up to 6 Sigma levels and then create quality storyboards. When we have quality product also, then we need the other non-manufacturing support functions to help us out in the entire lean journey. So we talk about accounts, finance, purchase, stores, administration, marketing, sales. So we talk about the fourth pillar, which is again very important, which is total service management. So flow is about materials and information flow, TPM is all about machines, TQM is all about quality, and DSM is all about service management. Now all these 4 pillars need to be synchronized well, so we need a good team. So we need a 5th pillar, which is total human management, in which we need to appreciate and recognize the people who put in their hard work and creativity for creating a lean, world-class organization. The entire 5 pillars rest on fundamentally 5S, which is the most important thing. We can be a good organization, a world-class organization only and only if we have a good 5S system working in the organization and it sustains. And finally, the commitment of the top management. So for lean to be successful, for the lean model to be running and sustaining, 3 important conditions need to be satisfied. Number 1, top management commitment. Second is top management commitment, and third obviously is top management commitment. So the top management has to be involved at the grassroots level. They need to give their time at the Gemba to ensure that the lean model, through its pillars, 5 pillars, 9 steps, they are learned, they are executed, and